Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video in the series how to become a professional excavator operator. Subscribe and let's get started. Step number 1. Check the machine. Check if the parts are in good conditions. Check the hoses. Check if there are any leakage. Check the wheels or check the tracks if your machine is on tracks. If everything is good, we'll go into the next step. Step number 2. Check the fluids. Check the hydraulic fluids level. Check the engine oil level. Check the gearbox oil level. Check the brake fluid system. And if everything is fine, we're going to the next step. Step number 3. Start the machine. After you start the machine, you must let it idle for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, you check if there are any leakage again. So if everything is fine, we'll go to work. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe.